Guess what we're doing today?
What are you doing today?
We are doing a dig.
A dig? What are you digging for? Fossils or gems?
I don't know.
Oh, we'll see, huh? All right. Are we going to get started then?
Yeah. Yes, Kae and Mia.
Woohoo!
I think I actually have pink and blue hair. Did you?
That's silly.
Yeah.
So what are we digging through? What do you got to dig in?
I got.
A gold brick? Oh my gosh. And what do you have, Mia? Oh my gosh. You have like a diamond? I don't believe it. All right. We got to be careful digging in there because there's going to be some gemstones or something, I think. I don't really know. But it says if it's a little hard, put a little bit of water on it.
Now cut it.
And then go ahead, Kayla, try and dig into yours. Is it a little bit harder or do you need a little water? Let's see.
Maybe a little bit of water.
Maybe a little bit of water?
I have that.
Go ahead, try and scratch into it and see. Let's see.
Ooh. Dig, dig, dig.
Mia's not doing too bad with hers. Do you maybe want to swap and get the knife from Mia and then you can dig with that instead? Here, Mia, you use that one. Kaylee, use that one. You guys dig. You gotta like scratch at it and dig. Maybe start on an edge or something, huh? Oh, like on that corner. And cut the corner off. See if that'll go. Oh, Mia's kind of getting into it.
I see something.
You gotta keep digging. I don't know if it's gonna be right there on top or not. You want a little bit more water in yours, Mia?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. All right, watch out.
You see, what is this?
I don't know. That's like something to kind of poke into it and break it apart, I guess. I don't really know. Let's see. Let's see, girl.
Ooh. Ooh. You see, stop it.
Like that, girl.
Show
That's how you gotta.
yourself.
No, I don't want to show
Yes,
myself.
yes, yes,
No.
yes,
All right. Let's see, Kay. Go ahead, kind of dig more. Oh my gosh. Mia's getting pretty good in there.
My real name is
Keep
Kae.
digging through. It's okay. Keep digging through. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's a little messy, huh? Whoa my gosh. It's kind of messy. It's crazy. Is it messy? You like making a mess, huh, Mia? Whoa. Kaylee, man. You're being crazy, girl. Whoa. Like I said, kind of do on the edges and scrape from there, huh? Like cut off the edges. Cut the corners down. Scrape it from there. Like here, cut this corner off. Like this, here. Go like this, girl.
Oh, can I try
Like that. Cut the corner off like that, girlie. Ooh. Messy. Sort of messy, huh? You need a little bit more water to yours. Let's see.
I need more.
Whoa! That was a lot of water.
I need more.
Let's see.
I want the water, too.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. That's crazy. That was a whole lot of water. Go ahead, keep scraping. You're getting really close. You're scraping good, pretty good.
What?
Kaylee, you're doing pretty good too. Yours is getting in there too. I don't know if that's what you need that or not.
Who is winning? Who's winning?
Who's winning? I don't know, girl. I think you're both doing pretty well.
But look at mine. Who? Hey, you're helping me.
I am helping because Kaylee's kind of having a tough time getting through that gold brick. Yours is getting really, really, really good. Do you want me to help you a little bit?
No.
No? Okay then.
Maybe.
Fine. Let's see. Let's see, Mia. Oh! I see Mia's gem. I see Mia's gemstone. I think you gotta dig it out from the other side. I think I see Kaylee's gemstone too. It's on this side, I think. I like the D in gold. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe you got a couple of them in there. I don't know. Maybe.
Mia, you probably have a fossil too.
Maybe. Let's get some more water on that.
Yeah.
Get that little. No. Go with the water that you have on the plate, girl. We dig the whole way through. We dig. It's what we like to do. Yours is kind of sparkly, huh? Mia's is pretty sparkly too. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know. Mia's kind of going from the bottom, taking a different approach. Let's see, man. Do you guys want to try and trade? Mia, you get the knife again, and Kaylee uses that. Let's see if that works differently for you, huh? Wait. Yep, put it that way. There you go. So we don't cut ourselves, right? You kind of pick it up, pick around where that is, right? Good job.
This is like cutting a baby.
It's like cutting what?
Nothing.
It's like cutting a baby?
No, it's
Did you say it's like cutting a baby? What? Is that funny? That's crazy, girl. It's like cutting a baby. Do you cut babies? No, we don't cut babies. We like babies.
Yeah, we do.
We don't cut babies.
We kiss them.
We kiss them and we hug them and we show them lots of love, right? We don't cut babies.
No.
Let's see, Mia. How you doing, girl?
Stick their tongues at them.
How you doing, girl?
Or stick their tongues at them.
Who stuck their tongue out at you as a baby?
You!
Me. Why'd I do that?
Because
you did it to me.
Little.
Yeah, so. Fair game, girl. Fair game.
I didn't know better.
Please.
Can we twist again?
Oh, man, you do got two, I think.
Twist,
Let's see, Mia. Let's see, girlie.
Can we twist?
Let me see the knife. Let's see.
Can we twist again? Pretty much you just got it.
Here. You just gotta, like, do this. You gotta scrape at it. Oh, this is messy.
Hi, Lise.
So messy. There you go. Like, cut it like that. Kind of like cutting bread and butter and stuff. My name is Easy. This is right. You know what your YouTube channel is actually called?
What?
Auntie E. That's the username that has the YouTube channel. But it is Kaylee and Mia's science channel. So, that's Kaylee, and that's Mia, and this is science.
Wait, 1 second.
What are we doing? What is this? Is this a dig?
We are doing a
Like paleontology dig? Or something like that? This is very messy, man. You're getting there, Mia. You're kind of getting through it. You want a little more water or no?
No.
No? Okay. If you say no, I'm going to say no too. That's fine. There you go. Broke that open. Don't think there's anything in that one. I don't know. Maybe we'll break it open and see, but I don't think so. Oh, you're getting really close, Mia. I see your gem in there.
I go wash my hands.
Oh, you gotta wash your hands? Let's see those hands. Go ahead, wash your hands.
Look at mine.
Oh, yours are pretty clean. What is that? Why are yours clean and mine are dirty? What?
Because I'm not even.
Is it because I'm the one doing, like, most of the work? Probably. You want this one?
I'm gonna dig in there.
I think Mia only has that one in it.
Ow.
What are you doing?
Digging.
Why are you trying to, like, smash it?
That's super messy. That's super messy.
Mia, we got at least one of your rocks. I think that's it, girl. Let's see. Let's see. This is Mia's other side of the rock. Let's see. I think that's your one. Let's see. I think that might be it. I don't know.
But can you do the rest?
I'm doing the rest, girl.
Sister was opposite. She was really high.
Ugh, this is not working. Maybe you do have another rock in here. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a whole lot of plaster.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, no, you just got that one rock.
But
Mia did. Kaylee's still digging. This is messy, man. Woo. I understand. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, she's got a yellow mouth. Did you give her a yellow mouth?
No, Papa
Papa gave her a yellow mouth.
did. What, can I see it? It's a piece of gold.
It's a piece of gold. What?
Kidding.
It might be a piece of gold. I don't know. There's a whole book telling us what's we could find.
Can I put it with my rock?
Do you know where the book is?
No.
I think it's over on the table there. So glad that I'm doing this. Oh, it's a blast, girl. It's not dirty or messy at all.
Just like Disney.
Just like Disney. Disney's always fun. Come on now.
Yeah, it's always fun.
Let's see. I think that might be your rocks. I think are all over there in the gold thing. Let's do this. Let's
I'm gonna show Mom my piece of gold.
I think you do have a second one in here.
Mama, I have real gold.
Now, I don't know about real gold, but I mean, it's definitely some like gold. Yeah, I think that might be it, girl. You do. The second one is on the plate, and I think that's it.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yes.
Did you fall? Alright, you know where your second one is? You like have it in your hand. Hang on, wait. No, you don't have it in your hand. It's right there. That's your other one. Alright, and Mia, this is yours. Hey, can you come wash this off, girl? Where are you going? Fine. I'm gonna wash yours off instead, because Mia got an opal or something, and Kaylee got some gold.
Look at our bathroom.
I'm not showing the bathroom.
Yes, you're showing the sink.
I'm showing the sink. I'm showing us rinsing off the... This is Mia's. I'm not really sure what it is, and that's Kaylee's.
Gold.
It looks like gold. Mia's looks like, I don't know. Let's go see. Let's go see what the book says about this.
Rock.
Let's go see what the book says. We do have a book that tells us what these crystals are. Let's see what our book says. No, we're not doing another video, crazy. What does our book say? What type of rocks do we have? Let's see. Mia has a rose quartz. Oh, that's what this is rose quartz. What? No, don't open that. And then Kaylee, what did you have? What does that look like?
Gold.
It looks like gold. Let's see. Let's see. I think it might be gold. Let's see. Oh, you have fool's gold. Ha ha! You have fool's gold. It looks like gold, but it's fake gold.
That's cool.
And it does, our kit does come with a whole bunch of different rocks and gems and stuff. So, besides the couple that we unearthed, or what is it called? Excavated. You have like 6 of them that are all in the guide and tells you what they all. Don't bite that. No, don't bite that.
Okay, I'll show you.
It tells you what they all are.
I'll tell you what.
So pretty cool. Kind of worth it.
Should we show some of the lava one?
No, we're not doing the volcano. That's for another day, crazy.
Here's
That's
this
not today.
rock.
What is that one? What's that rock? No. The other way. No, this way. What does that rock look like? Does it look like this? That is called a desert rose rock. What's the other ones?
This one.
What's that one?
The
Oh, Mia found the snowflake obsidian. Kaylee found a calcite. What else? Do we have a tiger's eye in there? That's kind of a cool one. Oh, yeah, I think that's the tiger's eye. Think so. I don't know. It might not be. Oh, Mia found the calcite again, too. What is that? What does that one match
Can I
to?
see it?
Is that a geode, maybe?
Ooh, what's that?
I don't know. That's crazy. Oh, that's the snowflake obsidian. Are there any more in there that we didn't bust out of here? Oh, that one. I think that's on the next page behind this. Back a page. That looks like the pumice stone.
Big gold.
And then we have 2 more to show. A red one and a green one.
Where is it?
I think that's for another experiment. Do you see the red one and green one? One is called agate and the other is fluorite.
Do you see
The
it?
red is agate. It should be in there, right? No. Excuse me. No. Oh. Well, it doesn't give us all of them. Okay, maybe they expected you to, what was it? Extract? Excavate? the other two rocks, but we don't have an agate or a fluorite. So,
we'll just put
come
this
on.
on.
What is that? All right, what do we have to say?
Bye. See you next time. Subscribe and like it.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you